Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to part two. Morning. Welcome to part two of the Sea Ray restoration. So today is Saturday. I've done a little bit of work throughout the week as far as prep to get the trailer ready for painting. So I'll just cover some of the things that I've done. One of the things I was able to get done during the week was these are the railings for the bunks on the side of the boat. I was able to get those sanded and get those painted. So over here, what I have is the fenders. They've been sanded and they're waiting for paint. So my plan is to get some paint on these today, get the fenders done so that these fenders can be good and dry by the time I get the rest of the trailer done to get them installed back on without cracking it. All right, so as you can see on the trailer, I've removed a lot of stuff. I removed the fenders. I've removed all the rollers underneath, and I removed the jack just so I can get it sanded. I did start sanding, and I'll take you back here and we'll look. I started on this back side yesterday. All right, so you can see where I started sanding. Back here in the back, got the back pretty good. Started making my way around. It got late in the evening, so I removed the fenders. I still have to sand in here and the front, and then along the frame. So still got a lot of sanding on the trailer itself, but it's in a position to where I should be able to get that sanding done today. So you can see those are the things that I got broke down. And where we are today, oh, I know what I can show her. The good thing this week, all my parts came in. I was able to get everything that I need for the trailer. So let's take a look at that. I have the new tongue. I have the wiring harness. I was able to print off a schematic so that I know what I'm doing when I go to wiring it. Here's all my lights. These are the running lights and the tail light, the bottom tail lights. These are the brake lights and turn signal lights. Got some new bolts for the bunk. I got my paint. As you can see, I'm using Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel paint. And then I got some gloss clear enamel that I'm gonna put to cover it with that. And got me some masking plastic to protect the boat. And then I was able, from my special auction site, I was able to get the boat trailer bunk carpet. So okay, so I think I got you guys all caught up on where I am today. So I'm gonna get out here and get hammering on it. The first thing is I'm gonna try to get these get the fenders painted to go. So I'm gonna get the inside painted, then I'll flip it over and paint the outside. The inside I'm not really worried about. I'm just gonna use some the old paint that I got laying around, finish using that can for the inside, and then when that dries, flip it over, do the outside. And that's gonna be the one where the black enamel with the clear coat. So hopefully I can get that done. It'll get done right, and then I can share it with you, let you see what the final results are. All right, you know what it is. It's time for me to get to work. I'm not gonna. I'll show a little bit of sanding, but again, I'm pretty sure that you guys don't want to see somebody just sitting there sanding for hours. So I won't do that. I'll show a little bit of the process, but then when I'm all done, I'll come back, show you how everything looks after it's sanded. All right. So got them painted, and I'm pretty pleased with how they're looking. Now remember, again, I'm not trying to make them look like they're a $3,000 paint job. I'm just trying to make them look better than what they were. Now I've got the boat sanded, as much sanding as I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna put the, spray it down with some degreaser. I had some of this degreaser laying around. Let me show you some of that. So I'm gonna spray that. I'm gonna spray that on the trailer, let it soak, and then I'm gonna power wash the trailer, and then I'm gonna paint it. And it should. All right, guys, you know me, gotta stay busy. I'll check back in once I get it power washed and dried and ready to start painting. All right, guys, I'm out here working hard. I already started putting paint on the trailer, and I gotta admit, man, it looks good. I'm gonna show you the side that's not done, and then I'm gonna show you what I've painted. All right, guys, so this is the side that hasn't been painted, as you know. All right, let's take a look at the side that I've started. There she is, rattle can black. Again, like I said, it's not a $3,000 paint job, but it is my little paint job, and it makes the trailer look better than what it was. So let me know, leave me a comment what you guys think. Am I doing a good job? Should I have just paid to take it to the shop to get it done, or would this work? You know, everything that I'm doing to this boat, I'm doing it, I'm gonna say it, the cheapest way possible. Okay, this is not a full, make it look brand new restoration, but it is a, wow, you took that from sitting in somebody's yard to looking really cool restoration. All right, still out here working, but yeah, I'm gonna be running out of paint here shortly, so I probably need to go get 2 more cans, then I should be able to finish this up. And then once I get it all done, guys, I'll come back and show you what's going on. All right. All right, guys, so you can see I got the trailer all painted. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. What's up next? The next thing that I have to do is get the trailer lights hooked up and get the tongue put on and get the brakes together. And then once I do that, I'll throw the fenders back on, and then I'll get the bunk rewrapped. I'm gonna have my wife do that. And then we'll put the trailer back together, and then the trailer will be done. So that's going to do it for today. If you guys made it this far in the video and you're new to the channel, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. All right. I thank you guys a lot, and I'll see you on the next episode, part 3 of Sea Ray Super Build. Get that super build.